All right, guys, so I have officially encountered uh, one of the hardest stores to back into, one of the hardest El Super stores. Look at this. Look at this. There's the dock. There's the street. So when I initially rolled up, I rolled in through that direction. So then I was facing that direction, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to go around. So I made a left, and I just went around, all the way around, all the way around, so that I was straight, pointed that direction. And after 4 attempts, I got in. Look at this. This is El Superstore number 48. Now, when you're backing into here, you gotta bring her straight, and of course, hook it. And I ended up at this sort of an angle, right? So when I'm looking back, okay, I make sure that once that corner of the trailer, right, that corner gets to this pole, right, I should already start turning before it even gets here. Start turning like right here, right here. So that by the time, that compensation for turning the wheel, and by the time it catches up and blah, 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 and here it is. Here's the finished product. But yeah, you gotta hug this pole. Look at how many people have whacked this thing. And that over there too. Look at that. I don't know if you can get a sleeper in here. It's a 48-foot trailer. I think I could have done it with a sleeper. I'm not sure. Maybe. But this officially is the most difficult store that I've encountered. It was fun, let me tell you though. So here's the dock. Not perfect, but here it is. Now, I'm not sure if I could have ended up, however, obviously it looks like they'll have a ramp to put here. So I don't think I had to get it angled, but me, I'm, clearly not exactly a perfectionist, but I wanted to line it up, that's what I want to do. I don't want to find out later that I'm going to have to, make them wait, go back out, and they make us wait too, so why not, right? But anyway, that's not the right attitude. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna turn that wheel to the left a little bit, just to straighten it out, just to make it look pretty, maybe not, and get her done. So store 48, El Superstore number 48. What do you guys think about this place, man? Hey, man, and admit it, all right? Especially if you have one of those anonymous YouTube channels and no one's really gonna know who you are anyway. Comment below if you've smacked any one of those poles, all right? Thankfully, here I am, 8 months experience, 6 months with with JB Hunt on the El Super account. This is my 6th month. Thank God that I've never done anything like that. Thank goodness, I just keep saying over and over in my head in the morning, like my dad taught me to do, is no accidents today. No accidents today. Man, just take it slow. No matter how long it takes you, just take it slow. This bad boy right here took me about, I don't know, 8 minutes? Maybe less? Like I told you, I needed to pull up 4 times. Yeah, 3 or 4 times. Let's see, I set up initially 1, 2, okay, 3 times. 3 times. Might have been 4, I think it was 3. 3 or 4 times, 3 or 4 attempts it took me. But I was very conscious of everything. Okay, you gotta be conscious of the traffic once you get back out, to the street to straighten yourself out in both directions, and then you're doing that, being conscious of that, while being conscious of where your tandems are in correlation to that bad boy. So it's like, damn, bro. So here it is, you know? And then once you start swinging it around, right? Once you start following the trailer in, you're not so much following it in, you want to get it to where you're going straight at an angle. So, where you're going, you got the wheels straight, but you're at an angle rather than turning it going this way. You want to end up coming straight, and your driver's side should be going right next to this pole, okay? And by that time, bad boy over there is already lining up. So as you can see, it's really just my tractor that's a little crooked, but the trailer is, it's a little crooked too, but straighter than the tractor. But there that is. Anyways, guys, for all of you who are really experienced, comment below on how you think I did. I'm a little disappointed in myself. I really think I could have done better. Maybe I should have done that parallel park instead, you know, like we learned in CDL school. Only that's not a sleeper, and which means the marks on the trailer wouldn't be the same. So anyway, RPA Trucking and Survival, all you truckers out there, stay safe, see you on the road. Talk to you when I talk to you.